Are you new to spinning yarn and it's really something you like? But this happens and you don't know how to get it back together? Stay tuned, I'll help you out. Hi everyone, it's me, Spring the Fiber Enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is just going to be a quick, kind of like a tutorial on how to reconnect if you lose your connection while you're spinning. This is more of a kind of like a demonstration. Some people say, ooh, magic, or ooh, witchcraft, because of how it looks when it happens. I'm just trying to get up here where you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So, all right, so you can see what I'm doing. I went ahead, I'm going to slow down the speed, and I'm also going to loosen the tension up just a little bit, so that way we can do this a little bit slower. All right, so as far as back on the machine itself, nothing changes. It's still spinning the fiber, adding twist to it, and I'm taking this fiber and feeding it in. I'm allowing the twist to gently go down to the next place. So I'm holding it here, allowing twist to build, and then I'm releasing it and letting it twist down to the next place I have held off. So what I have here is I have my fiber, and you can split it down and use smaller amounts. That's perfectly okay. I'm just going to take the end of my roving here, and I'm going to take my piece that's coming from the wheel, from my bobbin. I'm going to turn this on and allow this to build up some twist. And as it's doing that, I'm going to come in with my roving at an angle from the side. So I'm just going to be bringing it over and allowing that twist to pick up this fiber, and I'm going to work it down towards my hand. So we're going to go as slow as possible. So what I'm doing, I'm bringing that in. I'm setting that fiber on there. It's starting to twist around. I'm bringing it towards my hand like this. And now I'm just going to grab hold of where it has connected up here and start working that roving back down. And now I'm reconnected all over again, and there is no break. Just like magic. And that's all there is to reconnecting your fiber if you accidentally lose your draft here and you overdraft. You just bring that fiber back up, allow it to start twisting, and then reconnect. Just like that. It takes a little getting used to it, as far as working the fiber back in, but you get the idea here. Everything new takes practice. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be working right along without any problems. All right, everyone. So this was just going to be a short demonstration tutorial, if you will, on how to reconnect your fiber as you are spinning. I know that there are a lot of new spinners and a lot that have started with electric spinning wheels, which is great in my opinion, and then move into a manual spinning wheel. once you have the ability to create a draft from your fiber and keep a consistent single, I think that is the important part before you worry about trying to get your feet and your hands moving at the same time. All right, any questions, please ask down in the comments section or private email me. I would love to hear from you. Be blessed, be a blessing, and until next time, bye for now.